Step into a heaven where nature's greenery surrounds you in every direction. A natural retreat touched by golden warmth and leafy embrace. A unique health habitat envisioned by the visionary Aduri Group for a better tomorrow. Golden Heights, a lavish banquet of 51 plus amenities for a better life. Golden Heights offers an unparalleled blend of resort and health village living, spanning across a sprawling 75-acre MUDA-approved layout. Located in the rapidly growing suburb of Shadnagar, Golden Heights is a connected oasis where nature and convenience coexist. The majestic entrance arch sets the tone for your journey into Golden Heights. With wide, meticulously paved roads, ample car parking, and eco-friendly EV charging provisions. With lakhs of trees planted throughout the property, we promoted a healthier, greener environment. Enjoy seamless internal transportation with electric battery vehicles, the greenery in the project lowers the temperature by 2 to 3 degrees and raises oxygen level by 2 to 3%, supporting a healthier atmosphere. Golden Heights offers spacious cottages and weekend homes designed for families. Let your children play freely in safe, open spaces while you relax in a family-friendly atmosphere. Each cottage is a home away from home. Featuring a cozy family lounge, a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable bedrooms designed for ultimate relaxation. Golden Heights also embraces sustainability with vegetable and fruit plantations in individual plots, empowering residents to live healthily and naturally. Our rainwater harvesting system nurtures lakhs of trees, supporting sustainable farming practices that benefit both nature and the community. With collected leaf waste transformed into composted fertilizers, enriching the soil and supporting organic farming. The 2-acre clubhouse area serves as the heart of Golden Heights, offering a range of facilities for entertainment, business, and relaxation. It features a welcoming reception lounge, elegant banquet halls for events, and well-equipped corporate meeting rooms and boardrooms, ensuring that work and leisure coexist in perfect harmony. Golden Heights Clubhouse also houses a variety of indoor games for the entire family to enjoy, providing entertainment for all ages in a modern and sophisticated setting. For those seeking rest and rejuvenation, our luxurious suite and guest rooms are designed for comfort. While the swimming pool and rain dance area provides endless opportunities for relaxation and fun. Wander along designer pathways, relax in tranquil pergolas, Our Senior Citizen Wellness Center is dedicated to promoting the health and well-being of our elderly residents. With a focus on comfort, the center includes a multi-purpose hall for social gatherings, indoor games for leisure time, as well as a range of amenities designed specifically for senior citizens. The Wellness Center offers doctor consultation rooms and a primary health center. Our senior citizen accommodations, comfortable rooms to provide a secure and peaceful living environment. Feature wide balconies, on-site ambulance facility ensuring that medical needs are well supported, with a dedicated walking area on the roof and beautifully landscaped gardens. Golden Heights offers numerous spaces for relaxation and wellness, with landscaped areas, outdoor party area, an amphitheatre, outdoor meditation and yoga spaces, and a walking track to keep you active and connected with nature. Experience the beauty of nature through our Miyawaki Forest, a vibrant, biodiverse space that contributes to the environment and supports eco-friendly initiatives. The venture is a hub for recreation, with a sports area featuring a variety of activities, including a children's play area, open gym for all ages, cricket nets, seating area, badminton courts, volleyball court, tennis court, basketball courts along with marked avenues to spend leisure time. Beautifully landscaped and calming Zen Garden. Indulge in holistic wellness at our Ayurveda Arogyashala, where traditional healing meets modern luxury through time-tested Ayurvedic practices. For a truly holistic wellness experience, visit our Prakruthi Arogyashala, where natural healing takes center stage with exclusive treatment centers. Here you can enjoy sun baths, mud baths, neem baths and a tranquil spa experience, each designed to detoxify. Our homeopathy clinic offers a unique, personalized approach to health, while the Goshala on premises supports the community's well-being. For adventure enthusiasts, we offer a zip line through the trees, and camping tents for a thrilling outdoor experience that connects you with nature. Experience the magic of tranquil retreat with a promise of luxury, wellness and peace. By prestigious Aduri Group.